Let's make this quick and easy pasta side dish. So here I have my cooked pasta. Just follow the packet guidelines on how to cook your pasta. I am using spirale pasta. You know, it just has that nice pattern, that nice swirly, yeah. So I'm going with some grated carrots, some chopped spring onions, chopped red pepper, chopped yellow bell peppers. You can use whatever color you want, but I just like to have a little mix of this. Now I'm going to put this in there and just give it a good old mix. I'm gonna add some dried parsley. You can use if you want a really herby taste, you can use fresh parsley, but I'm gonna use the dry. I'm gonna go in with my mayonnaise. Now I add my mayonnaise gradually. I add a little bit, give it a mix, then add a little bit more if it needs it, and just keep doing that until it just reaches that, you know, just yumminess, that level that I wanted. Something looking like this, where it's not too wet, but you want to know that there's mayonnaise in there, because whenever I come and bake the mayonnaise. So this is as well, I added a little bit of salad cream. The salad cream is going to just give it a nice little tangy taste. Just give that a good old mix. After this time, your pasta is ready. I'm going to put this in a bowl and cover this. Now this is best served cold, so you want to make this ahead of time and just put it in the fridge, just cool down. And just, yeah, I did also add some grated onions in there, but that's completely optional. Just about a quarter or half of a great onion. Just grate that down and add that in there. And there you have it, my quick and easy side dish pasta filled with lots of little veggies, you know, beautiful for the upcoming season. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Catch you in the next one.